It looks like individuals have been placed there. That ombre is nice. On your little side, back to back. On your big side, use your finger whip space. 99.5 won't do. There we go.
What is up? What is up, beautiful people? It's your girl, Mary. Listen, I filmed an entire intro to this particular video, and it was not recording, y'all. I'm so hot. I am so upset because I had something to tell y'all. So I'm trying to edit right now and kind of just go over what I did. Basically, this is a very, very easy way to implement the illusion individual method. You guys know, like, I've come up with a whole lot of different illusion individual braid patterns, but I know sometimes you just don't want to do all that. So this is a great way for those people who know exactly how their hair is going to be styled and you know where you want your part. There is, you know, you do have the option to just do the illusion right there where you want your part to be, and then the rest straight backs. So you have the opportunity to just place the illusion where you want. So you don't have to do a full head of illusion individuals if you don't want to. And I'm also incorporating the C curve. Someone asked me to do that instead of doing you know, the straight curve, so I incorporated that. That also goes along with the illusion, the natural look of the crochet braids. So yes, you guys, that's what I wanted to tell you. I have some details about the spacing in the midst of this video, so you guys just pay attention for that. But that is the purpose of this video, just to showcase that you can literally just use the illusion right where you want it to be. So if you don't want it all over your head, baby, you don't have to have it all over your head, okay? This your world. I want you happy. You don't have to do all that. Just place it where you want it. Thank you for the love as always. And now, back to our regularly scheduled program.
You guys, really quick, this is very important. On this side, I am pointing my hook towards the side that I want the hair to fall on. That's where I'm pointing my hook. That's very important because what happens is the knot is on the bottom, so it's covered up. If you crochet this side going this way, the knot's going to be on top, and that's when you're going to see all those knots that you guys hate. Okay, you don't want those to be there. That's a really important part of seamless crochet braids. Okay, it makes a difference, trust me. All right, y'all just trust me. Okay, all right, beauties, this is the final result. I watched an episode and a half of Judge Judy. So it took me, I'll say, about 40 minutes. Yeah, y'all, this color is so pretty. Look how it just flows into that ombre. Is nice, y'all. Yeah. So, okay, and as you can see, the part is doing what it's supposed to do. We are good. It looks like individuals have been placed there when we both know they have not. We know that. Okay, so the procedure has been a success. The only reason I'm jumping on and talking right now is to let you know something very important. On this side, because this is my small side, in terms of symmetry, this is not symmetric. So there's going to be more hair on this side than there is on this side. So to kind of compensate for that, this side, I place them back to back to back. On this side. On this side, because there's more braids, more space for hair to go, I use my finger width spacing on this side. So that way it kind of evens up. You know, if I would have used the same spacing on this side, we would have been at 99.5. And as y'all know, 99.5 won't do. So go ahead and pack them on your little side, back to back. On your big side, use your finger width space. Now, if these were bigger, I'd use 2 finger width. But for this, 1 finger width was great. Can I get an amen in this place? All right, I felt it. I felt it. Thank you. I feel my help coming. I feel my help coming. I know what I'm talking about. If you want the benefits of the individual illusion braid pattern, but you don't want to do the full pattern and you know how you gonna rock your hair, get your part where you need it to be. And I like the C curve, y'all. I'm feeling the C curve, honey. Hold on, cause my little edge is finna. There we go. I'm about to go outside in this sunlight and take some pictures. But y'all let me know if you're feeling it. I am. Don't forget to subscribe and listen, hit that like. It helps. It helps me with my analytics. You know what I'm saying? It helps me get recommended when y'all show love. So just show love. Subscribe, hit that bell for post notifications, and give me a big thumbs up if you're feeling this video. All right? And until next time, I wish y'all what? Peace, love, and light.